Is your time precious? Mine is. Have you ever popped a bottle of bubbly and became the life of the party? I have. After hours of intense dancing and singing, that damn cork is nowhere to be found. To solve this conundrum, I used the Stop Kitty wine bottle stopper. Priced at $12.99 with 4.8 stars, it'll keep your wine fresh and eliminate spills. If you have kids, you personally know every time you turn around, there's a new mess to clean. I don't know about you, but I am sick of it. So I found this mini tabletop CRUMB sweeper, priced at $8.99 with a 4.5 star rating. It uses 2 AA batteries, it weighs 5.3 ounces. The Ladybug, it comes in red or green. And most importantly, I can continue to be the lazy bum my wife married. Oh yeah, to assist in cleanup, there is a vacuum installed inside the device to pick up dirt, and the bottom separates so the debris can be easily discarded. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Hot damn, I love me some bacon. As the president of the Big Back Brigade, I declare this to be the most important item on the list. The bacon bin grease holder is priced at $16.99 with a 4.7 star rating. It comes equipped with a strainer and is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It holds up to 1 cup of grease. If more is needed, you can upgrade to the extra large bacon bin, which holds 2 cups of grease. When the grease has cooled, it can easily be disposed of without damage to plumbing or the environment. The Butter Hugger. Cheap and simple. My type of product. Coming in at a price of $5.99, you can effectively store your butter horizontally or vertically and keep your fridge clean in the process. The Hugger will help keep your stick of butter as fresh as the day it was purchased. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out in the algorithm, and it helps me to bring better gadgets and devices to you in the future. The ceramic egg separator is $7.99 with a 4.5 star rating. The egg separator is easy to clean. It can be washed by hand with water or detergent. It can also be washed in the dishwasher. The egg separator is perfect as a gift and very interesting to use. If you pay attention, it looks like the chicken is throwing up. And I think that's hilarious. This is our last item. Thanks for watching.